We got ran over some bikes again. Had to take a leak. It is what it is. But we are outskirts of Eureka. Labor Day weekend. Smoking cigars, walking through the woods. California, northern. Dodging bikes. I do want to get down to the, when I get back home in the fall, go down to the on the river, have her drop me off. But so in the last video, so many people chasing AdSense all day long. Yeah, I'm monetized, but Bigfoot, are you here? Like I said in past videos, people it's a popularity up here, Bigfoot. There's a store I saw. We were up here last time. It's kind of cool, and it was very interesting, all the stuff. But yeah, some people get very upset when you call it Bigfoot, but you know, it's whatever you want. It's just like marijuana or cannabis. It's marijuana. It's a creature, you're gonna find it. The only way you're gonna find Sasquatch or Bigfoot is go look. And if it takes you out, so be it. It's beautiful, man. That's what it is, man. Who knows? He could be watching me right now. Just get ready to cut me in half and throw my carcass in the woods. Find my camera years later. All these videos. Stupid YouTuber. All by himself. Gets eaten. Never know. Never know, man. Never know, man. All of a sudden, boom. A couple widowmakers around here. Hello, Bigfoot. Where are you? Yep. I'm gonna walk the Appalachian Trail before I stop breathing. It's always nice to go walk in the woods. Go hang out, look for things. Camping's a lot of fun. I've always said about camping, drive your car, you pull your house, F-250, get your little aluminum ones, really nice. They make these $500,000 Class A's are just junk. And they pull their car, it's stupid. Never know. A little Sasquatch, a little Bigfoot. Tell you what, man, Yahoo! You're a real man until all of a sudden you start looking, all of a sudden there he is, man, right over there. Uh-oh, they're coming to get me. They're gonna rescue me from myself. You hear the siren coming. Kind of down in there. Go hang out down there, I guess. Pitch a tent. Like I said, there's a lot of people who have faked their behavior. The Yeti, I've seen videos of, they see something in the mountain, run around, I don't know. I mean, what do you do when you find it? Do you talk to it? Do you put it in a cage? I don't know. Bring it to a zoo? I don't know. Can it breed with humans? Can you find some obese woman to do the job? I got a bike guy coming right about now. He's coming. I better get the hell out of the way. I'd be crazy to walk across that bad boy. It'd be nuts. I'll fall down, kill myself. Yep, gotcha. There he goes, now he's flying. You never know, man, where he's going to be hanging out. I don't know. Kind of like the trees of mystery right there. But yeah, we'll just kind of continue on here. Heading back to the car. But anyways, guys, somewhere in the outskirts of Eureka, looking for the elusive Bigfoot Sasquatch. It's your boy here, Cow Shit Cow Pie. Hasta vista. We'll see you in the next video. This thing's always watching me, man. I don't know. It's kind of strange.